Hey, Ketchup, what are you doing out here?
I ran away because I don't like my factory. It's so messy. Plus, they don't have a lot of traceability, so it's very easy to escape.
Same pinch. Freedom feels amazing. Come on, let's have some fun.
Hey, kids! What are you doing here? Where there's no factory near.
Genie, we are sorry, but we don't want to expire. So why don't you interfere and make production problems disappear?
Problems don't disappear. They're solved by getting BatchMaster Manufacturing for SAP Business One involved. Really? It's more powerful than you? It's the most powerful tool for business management. It can assist in innovation, procurement, production, quality, finance, and compliance requirement. Can it handle all business operations? Yes, it uses SAP Business One's global expertise and BatchMaster's process manufacturing capabilities. It makes the supply chain resilient, flexible, responsive, and agile, and can be accessed from PC, laptop, and mobile. Wow, Genie! For telling us about it, we will forever thank thee. Implement it in our factories now, so we can go back quickly. Refocus the future of your business. Power it with BatchMaster Manufacturing for SAP Business One.